Okay, guys, you have to understand what we're looking at here. We're looking at the amino acid sequence of a protein that is 146 amino acids long. So it's like amino acid 1, amino acid 2, amino acid 3, except we're going to skip amino acids 1 through 86. Those are all going to be ignored. And we're going to skip amino acids 117 through 146. So we're only looking at amino acids 87 through 116. And so we're looking at human. This is humans right here. Right? This top one. This is humans. And then we ran out of space on the page, so it kind of continues all the way down here, right? There you go. And then what I want you guys to do is, I want you to compare the differences, just the differences between humans and all these other species. So let's look at chimpanzees first. And these are the abbreviations for the amino acids. So THR is threonine, LEU is leucine, serine, glutamine, things like that. And so you're just kind of look and look and look until you see one that is different. So I'm going to compare. Okay, guys, are there any amino acids that are different between chimpanzees and humans between amino acid 87 and 116? Yes or no? No. So here's what you do. So you're going to put that in the data table right here. Between a human and a chimpanzee, there are 0 differences. You're supposed to write the amino acid number where there is a difference. Since there is no difference, there's no number to write. Human and a gorilla. So now let's look at the human and let's compare it with human and a gorilla, which is another ape like us. So now I look at this, still 3, and then I'm going to look at gorilla. Same. Same all the way up here. Uh-oh, look. Everybody see that? The 104th amino acid for humans is arginine, but with gorillas, it's lysine. I continue to see if there's any other ones. That's it. So you'll see that with humans and gorillas, there's one difference, and it's amino acid 104. Were there any other ones that I missed? No. And so for the rhesus monkey, right, you do the same thing. Right off the bat, look, the rhesus monkey, is there a difference? Right off the bat. Compare. Also, that one as well. So for the rhesus monkey, there are 2 differences. And so there's a difference in amino acid number 87, right? Everybody see that? That's amino acid number 87 and amino acid number 104. So you just write 87 and 104. You do the same thing for the horse and the kangaroo. And then you come in this data table. We're not going to use this data table yet, guys. Then you're going to do a little graph. Okay, guys. For the graph, right, you're just going to draw little bar graphs. What was the difference between human and chimpanzee? None. So you're not going to draw anything, right? What was the difference between... oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. You're actually supposed to be doing this right here. You're graphing the difference between not of the amino acid sequences between that and hemoglobin, but between looking at this chart right here. We're looking at a completely different protein with this chart. This is the data that was done between humans and all these different species, looking at a protein that we all have in common called cytochrome C, which is located in our mitochondria. And so they did the exact same thing that you guys did up here, right? Comparing the amino acid sequence, except they already did the data, and then here's the data on this chart. So you're going to take this data table right here, and you're going to put that information here. Got it? So what's the difference between humans and a chimpanzees when the amino acid sequence is cytochrome C? 0. What about us and a fruit fly? 29. So you're going to go right here. Here's 30 and 28. So right around here, and then you're just going to draw a bar graph right here, right? Everybody see that? What about humans and a horse? Right? Humans and a horse is 12, right? So that's right around here. And then draw a bar graph. So continue on and on and on and fill that up. Now, instead of looking at humans, let's look at the difference between like a fruit fly and other species. Looking at the differences between that same protein, cytochrome C. And then you're going to do the chart here. After you've done all that, you're going to answer these 6 questions and submit them in your Schoology assignment, along with answering this statement right here, this question: how do amino acid sequences provide evidence for evolution? You're going to answer that in a couple of sentences, also in that Schoology assignment.